Welcome back to another video. This video is sponsored by GEYA and this package is sent directly to my office. Let me zoom in closer so that you can see. This is the direct address to my office. Number 2, Second Plaza, Pero Junction, Ogombo, Aja, Lagos. This is sent directly to my office. So together we are going to unbox this and see what is inside. If you like to get what is inside, the link is going to be below this video. You can see the price, and if you're interested, you can simply order for it. So together, let's cut this. I've not opened this actually. I've not opened it as well. So let's cut it and see what exactly is inside step by step. They told me they would like me to sponsor a video and they're going to send the package to me that I should make a video about it. I should be sincere. So let's see what is inside. So though I actually know exactly what is inside because I'm the one that selects it, but this is the first time that you guys are seeing it. This is the first time that I myself is seeing it because this is the first time I'm opening the box. So inside we have a first box. This is the original box of itself, and there's something inside of the carton, which is this. I don't know what these are for. And there's this plastic inside as well. I don't know what these are for, this particular plastic. I'm still going to figure out what they use this for. So let's put this aside and let's open the box itself. I think this is for adjustments, chain adjustments and all, but I'm not sure. I'll still try it and figure out what that is for. So here is the main carton, and I'm just going to slide it open. And after I open it, there's still another carton inside. You can see, I'm going to remove this. I love this packaging. And there's a certificate inside of the packaging as well. There's a certificate. This is the GEYA certificate. And there are some pins inside. We'll still figure out what these are used for. But based on the box that I'm seeing right now, I believe this is a wristwatch box. You guys are getting closer to where we're going. And if I open this up, I'm supposed to have this looking like this. So this is the first time I'm opening this, and this is what is inside. This is a GEYA wristwatch. This is a GEYA wristwatch, as you can see right here. This look beautiful. I actually selected this on their website. They have so many wristwatch, but I personally love this and the color contrast on the screen, on the glass area, on the front area. So I selected this myself. This is lovely. Seeing this in my hand myself, this is absolutely luxury. This is beautiful. If you're watching this on your screen, you might not really understand how beautiful this is. So I'm going to still do some B-rolls that I'm going to show you, but this look beautiful. Like, in all honesty, I'm not joking. This look beautiful. A link will be below if you want to go. If you want to go and check the price or you want to order, I would advise you to order. If there are so many designs there are so many ones that you're going to love. They have G-Shock original one, beautiful ones. You can go ahead and check. The link will be in the description below. I really love this packaging box. This is the kind of box that's going to be beside my bed, and after I finish using the wristwatch, I'll put it back inside the box and I'm just going to let it be. So on that note, still the wristwatch itself has a nylon wrap all around it. So we are going to peel off the nylon. There's a nylon on the face. That's why it's not as clean as you want. So I'm going to peel off all the nylon and I'm going to adjust it to my wrist size. And I'm going to wear it and show you guys the final results. So let me just peel off all of the nylon. So if I open the back parts, you can see. Let me remove what I have in my hand. And I'm going to wear it first before we can adjust, before we can decide what we have to adjust. You can see here, it goes straight to my hand, and if I lock it, you can see that. You can see how this look in my hand. Though it is still big, I'm still going to adjust it, but this look beautiful. This look absolutely beautiful. You can see that. So I'm going to peel off the nylon and do the adjusting of the chain. And you can see it perfectly in my hand. This is really, I don't know if you can see how beautiful it is from my hand, from the camera to you, but this look fabulous. So I'm just going to peel off the nylons and adjust the chain. You can see the nylon. And the more I peel off the nylon, the more cleaner the wristwatch become. You can see that. Just going to peel off all of the nylon on the side. You can see how beautiful that looks. You can see how it looks on my wrist. So I'm just going to adjust the chain, and you can see the final result of what it's going to look like. This look beautiful. So I already removed a couple of the chain. You can see that. Though that first plastic that was in the box is what is used to remove that chain, I also searched it and I was able to figure out how to do that. You can see. So if I put it in my hand right now, I should be having a very firm and beautiful wristwatch in my wrist. So here, just clip. And the second one as well. Just gonna clip it. So you can see what that looks like. You see how beautiful that looks. And these are the chains that I remove. If you want it to be more freer on your wrist, you can simply just open, depending on the chain that you remove, that's what will determine how free it is on your wrist. So this is the entire wristwatch that was sent to me from GEYA. I want to say thank you to GEYA for sponsoring this video. If you like the wristwatch, I'm going to still show you some bureaus. If you like the wristwatch, there's a link below this video. Go ahead and click the link to purchase. They have so many varieties of designs, not this exact one. There's so many varieties. A link is in the description. Go ahead and check it, and you're going to genuinely. I've been using this wristwatch a lot. I've been using it because it's so beautiful. Go ahead and check it. And you can also make a video. You can tag me on Instagram, you can tag me on TikTok when you purchase the wristwatch, and you can just go ahead and check the price compared to other wristwatch. This is really, really beautiful. That will be all about this video. If you like it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe to the channel. Check the GEYA wristwatch in the link in the description, and I will see you on the next one. So this is what it looks like if I'm doing the close-up shot. You can see how beautiful that is. Absolutely beautiful. I like it firm in my hand. That's why I remove up to 4. You can remove up to 2 or 3 if you want it to just be free. That'll be about it.